Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello Team Bella and welcome to the channel. It's me, your girl, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, here with the plan with me in my dashboard layout. Now, before we begin, 3 reminders. If you enjoy the video, I always appreciate those thumbs up and comment below. I love hearing from you guys. So comment below, introduce yourself in the comments. And last but not least, if you've not had the opportunity to subscribe to the channel, I would totally love to have you as one of my subscribers. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button below and don't forget about the notification bell. And oh my goodness, my people that have been here from the beginning, my rocks, I want to thank you for all of your support. All right, so let's get into this plan with me. I pulled stickers from the Kell of a Plan Bold Floral sticker book. And we are going to just get it in. I've already pulled the stickers. And so, of course, you know, with this sticker book or this layout, this dashboard layout, I typically cover these places here. First and foremost, because I don't use them. This is my social media planner, which I'm rethinking that. I think that I would like to try the teacher layout, and I did purchase the, I'm gonna have to, well, let's see if I can pull the whole thing up. Y'all, I have layered this thing and it's all like one ginormous layered cluster. So let's see how it comes out. And the only thing I'm missing is a quote, which I did not pull. So we will have to get a quote going on. Let's cover this focus. So I hope that when the new planners release for 2022, that we have the opportunity to have a totally neutral, like that focus. If it was just like black and white, that would be the bee's knees. So this does not fit exactly on here. So I'm going to try to center it here. Okay. All right, now, like this sticker is a little crooked. I want to take my undo and I just want to bring this side up just a little bit. And again, these are Kell of a Plan Bold Florals. All right. Bold Florals. Okay, so let's see if we can. And I actually tore the little pink sticker. I tore it just a little bit trying to get it up, but it's okay. You can't really tell. And we're gonna move this a little bit over. As you can see, it is covering up the disc punch, and I just want to move those. So let's see what we can do. Can we get it moved? We should be able to. I just ripped that. I don't know what's going on with me tearing my stickers a little bit today. Okay, so that's one. And then here we go. So what I think we can do is just bring this one maybe along this line right here. And that's the beauty about, you know, having the dot grid right there. It can help you line up your stickers. So I'm gonna go there like that, and then I'm gonna take this one and just line it up, maybe even line it up down here, and that way it stays within where I need it, and then our quote can go there. Now up top, these black colorful boxes are from the Mojo Jojo Plans, her Black Boxes sticker book. So we are going to just use those. All these black boxes on here, courtesy of Mojo Jojo Plans sticker book. Okay, yes. I wonder. Just to come here and come down with this, and then we have just that little bit poking out right there. And then we are going to come over here and essentially have the same kind of situation going on. So I'm going to grab that white out, and we're just going to cover them up right there and right there. And then I'm going to take this and scrape off where I've gotten that onto our sticker right there. I don't know if I made that better or worse, but that is that side of the page. And then we'll come with a we'll come with a quote in a minute. Now we're gonna grab this other side, and I thought it would be cute if we could just keep it really, really simple, basic black boxes, keep the spread really clean, and then just use the these are the bullet points that was in the sticker book. And typically I cut them in half because I feel like they're just a little bit too big. And something else I discovered is that they're not all the same size. So we're gonna try to do the best we can with what we have. And then we're going to move this box that's textured. We're gonna put it, or not textured, but has the, you know, the colors there. We're gonna put it on the side. Okay. So this one, we will just add the black, so it makes sense that we have that one box up there with a black sticker. And of course, this sticker is not straight, the one I layered on top. Because of course I can't put down a straight sticker to save my life. It is what it is. But your planner doesn't have to be perfect. It has to be perfect for you. And remember that. We're not perfect, so as long as it works for you, it doesn't matter what anybody else thinks. Because your girl cannot even lay her sticker straight most of the time. All right, so we're gonna just get our bullet points down. And we're gonna get that black and white sticker book, and I'm sure we can probably find us a decent quote to go on the other side. Okay, so this one is going here. Okay. I don't know why I have extra bullet points. So I added an extra day of the week on, I guess. And I know exactly what I want to do with the extra bullet points. Okay, perfect. Now, I also thought it would be cute to come along and add our, you know, bring some florals to the page by adding on the little, adding the floral accents on the bottom. So we're just going to chop off the part that didn't fit. We might be able to use it other places in the spread, but for sure, I wanted to use it like up here, and then we're going to position them other places on this side. And I think that'll be cute because like right here where that box is so plain, we can come. I'm gonna cut off some of this clear for sure. There's a lot of space in between the actual sticker. So I'm just gonna cut that off, and hopefully we can come and put it right here and it looks perfect. I like it. Okay, and I think that we could make it a whole thing and bring some of this on the top as well. And that will take care of everything, the excess sticker that we cut off from the bottom. And I'm just trimming it down so that it fits better, getting rid of that negative space we have. So we could come this way. I think I like it. Okay. And then I think what we could do is we could put one right there. We can come and put one right here, a bullet point right there. All right, and I'm good with that. All right, let's grab our black and white sticker book and let's find a really nice quote to place there in that area. So here is the black and white sticker book, and we just need a nice black quote. I feel like I can bring a couple more pops of black to this page down here on the bottom. It says put your heart into it. We could certainly probably put this either, I think I like it here. Put your heart into it. Okay, so let's see what we can put right there. And I kind of wanted to go this way, but I don't kind of see any of the stickers. Oh, here's one. Stay present, and it's going the way I want it. Here we go. Stay present. Perfect. Okay, guys. Well, that completes our spread in our dashboard planner. And again, these stickers came from the Bold Floral sticker book. I can't wait to get this all filled out to kick my plans off for the very first week of June. Okay, guys, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.
Shining, shining like a diamond.